So in this video, we will be learning how to add subscriber to AWeber for new ClickBank sale. Now suppose guys you are using ClickBank to sell some kind of product and you want whenever a customer purchases a product, whenever you receive a new sale in ClickBank, you want to add that same customer as a new subscriber in your AWeber email marketing application. Now to set up this kind of automation, to automate this process, you have to connect ClickBank and AWeber. And guys, for this automation, the trigger will be new sale and the action will be addition of subscriber in AWeber. So how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, you just have to go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I will sign into my own account. And after signing it, you will reach to this all apps page. Here below Pabbly Connect, just click on access now. And in the new tab, we can see that. And in the new tab, we can see that we have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now after reaching this dashboard, click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as ClickBank to AWeber and click on create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is first we have to connect our ClickBank account with Pabbly Connect so that every time we get a new sale, some customer purchases a new product in our ClickBank account, we should get the details of that very new purchase in Pabbly Connect. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send the details of the customer who made the purchase on ClickBank to AWeber so that we can add that person as a new subscriber in AWeber. So let's begin with our process. So here in trigger window in choose app, we will search for ClickBank. Just select ClickBank. And after selecting ClickBank in trigger event, we will select new sale. Now as we select new sale over here, as we select the trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we will use this webhook URL to make the connection between ClickBank and AWeber. To make the connection between ClickBank and Pabbly Connect. So just copy this webhook URL from here and follow the help text given below over here. So after copying this webhook URL, go to the dashboard of your ClickBank account and from the left side, go to accounts. And out of all the accounts, select your ClickBank account on which you are getting new sales or for which account new sales you want to add the customer to your AWeber. So I have this account, I'll just click on it. And in a new tab, we will reach to the home page of our ClickBank account. After reaching this home page, this dashboard, on the right side, we can see vendor settings option at top. Just click on vendor settings. And after clicking on vendor settings, here we have another option of my site. So click on my site. Now, as we click on my site, we reach to the site settings option. We just have to scroll down and here in advanced tool, we have an option named as advanced tool. We can see the edit button in front of it. Just click on edit. And here after clicking on edit, it is showing us instant notification URL. So we have two URLs out of which we will just clear the one and we will paste the same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect just now over here. And after that, just click on test IPN over here in front of this. Just click on test IPN and we will see that the connection between ClickBank and Pabbly Connect is now successfully completed. Using this webhook URL, we have connected our ClickBank account with Pabbly Connect. And also guys, we have sent a test IPN, the details of a test sale, a dummy sale to Pabbly Connect from ClickBank. So let's click on save changes over here. So the connection is completed. And after that, let's get back to Pabbly Connect workflow. So here in Pabbly Connect workflow, we have received some response from ClickBank. And yes, we have received the notification and IV, two details of a test sale, a dummy sale in our ClickBank account. So this data of new sale is encrypted. So the last point in the help text says, once you get the response, use the data transformer app next to decrypt that response and map it anywhere you want. So we have this encrypted data of new sale, of new dummy sale from ClickBank and Pabbly Connect. Now we have to decrypt it, and we will use a feature of Pabbly Connect, that is data transformer. For that, just scroll down and come to this action window. And here in choose app, search for data transformer. Data transformer it is. After that, in action event, from the drop down, select ClickBank. And after selecting ClickBank, click on connect. Now after connecting it, it is asking us secret key, notification and IV. So we have received the notification, the details of notification and IV from ClickBank in our trigger window of new sale. So this is the notification, we can see this is it, and this is the IV. So we will basically map this same details which we have received from in trigger window from ClickBank over here. And then we have to also enter the secret key. First map the notification and IP. So guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Just simply click on this field of notification, and from the drop down, we can see the responses from ClickBank which we have received from trigger window. And from these responses, from both of these responses, select the response of notification and map it in this field. After mapping the notification, it is asking us for the IV. So we will use the same process of mapping as well once again. Just click on this field, and from the drop down from the responses of ClickBank which we have received from in our trigger window, select the response of IV and map it. Then it is asking us for the secret key. Now to get the secret key, once again we will go to the site setting page of our ClickBank account. We will scroll down to advanced tool, and here in advanced tool we can see the secret key over here. Just copy the secret key of your ClickBank account from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting it, just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, we can see that we have received a response over here. So we have earlier received encrypted data of new sale from ClickBank in Pabbly Connect trigger window. But using data transformer in Pabbly Connect, we have decrypted that data. And here we can see the decrypted data as well. So we have the transaction type which is test. So we have received the data of test sale of test purchase. That's why the transaction type is test. We have the name of the vendor, means our business name on ClickBank. Then we will scroll down. We will find some other details like the name of the product which the customer has purchased, for which we received a new sale. Then also we have the product price. What is the price of that product? Then we will scroll down. We can see the first name, last name, full name and email address of the customer who made the purchase. Which means guys, the step 1 of setting up this automation is now successfully completed. We have successfully connected our ClickBank account with Pabbly Connect and received the details of the new sale happening in our ClickBank account and Pabbly Connect. Now let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we will send the details of the customer who made a purchase on our ClickBank account. We will add that very same customer as a new subscriber in AWeber. So for that, just scroll down and click on this add action step button over here. And after that, in this action window in choose app, we will search for AWeber. AWeber it is. After selecting AWeber, in action event from the drop down, we will select add subscriber and click on connect, select add new connection. Now we have to basically connect our AWeber account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on connect with AWeber button over here. And guys, because I have already logged into my AWeber account in my dashboard, Pabbly Connect has detected the very same account over here, as we can see in this pop-up window. And it is also And we can see that now the connection is successful between AWeber and Pabbly Connect. So we have already logged into a AWeber account in our browser. So Pabbly Connect detected the very same account and made the connection. After making the connection, the account ID is automatically detected. So we don't have to make any changes over there. Then it is asking us for the list ID. So here in the drop down, you will find a list of all the contact list or all the subscriber list which you have created in your AWeber account over here in this drop down. So right now I have only one list in my AWeber account, that is Ashura's list. That's why we have selected this very same list. After selecting the list, it is asking us full name and email address of the contact to whom we want to add, of the subscriber to whom we want to add to AWeber. So we have received the full name and email basically from our ClickBank account. So we have received the response of new sale from ClickBank. We have decrypted that new sale data and we have received the name, full name and email address of the customer who made the purchase on ClickBank. So we have to map this same email address and full name over here in this field. And as we all know, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and from the drop down from the responses of data transformer this time, we will scroll down and select the response of full name of the customer and map it. And we will follow the same process of mapping once again for the email as well. From the drop down, select the response of email and map it. And after mapping all these details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we can see that we have received a response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that this test user, the details of the test user which we have received from ClickBank of a test purchase, is now successfully added as a new subscriber in our AWeber account. So let's check it. We'll go to the AWeber account. Let's go to the subscribers page. And yes, guys, we can see that test user, the same customer, the same test customer whose details we have received of a test purchase from ClickBank and Pabbly Connect, is now successfully added as a new subscriber in our AWeber account, which means the automation which we have created in this video, guys, is working perfectly fine. Now, guys, I don't have any actual account in ClickBank. We just have a trial account in ClickBank. That's why we can't actually test this automation in real time in this video. But guys, this automation is now completely successfully completed. And guys, using this automation, now every time we will receive a new sale in ClickBank, automatically, instantly the customer who made the purchase will be added as a new subscriber in your AWeber account. So guys, let's understand in brief that what are the steps we followed while setting up this automation. So first, we have created a workflow in Pabbly Connect, and in this workflow, we have selected ClickBank as our trigger application and new sales was our trigger event. After that, using a webhook URL, we have connected our ClickBank account with Pabbly Connect. And after making the connection, we have received the details or the response of test purchase or a test sale in Pabbly Connect. But the data which we get from ClickBank in Pabbly Connect is basically encrypted data. So using a feature of Pabbly Connect, that is data transformer, we have actually decrypted that data of new sale and received the details of the product or the details of that new sale in Pabbly Connect. So in the response, we have the details of the customer, the product and the sales. And after that, we have collectively sent all of those data of the customer to AWeber so that we can add that same customer as a new subscriber in our AWeber account. So not just these applications, guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. And also, Pabbly Connect provides you a forever free plan, guys, in which you get 100 free tasks every month. So if you want to try and test your automation for free, you can do that absolutely in Pabbly Connect.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.